everyone, this is Alison from Talknave. Today I would like to introduce our leather measurement function of T30. It is equipped with a green leather and a visualized camera. You can see the position of leather on the screen with accuracy error of no more than 2.5 cm. It also fixes a wide angle camera at the bottom for AR real-time staking, making the layout task more accurate and convenient. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 5-volt ratio, and NFC and other functions. Besides, it has the battery up to 30,800 mAh. Also, it can work for 2 days. Now let's explore its leather measurement function. Firstly, make sure that the receiver is connected in Wi-Fi mode. Then configure the mobile station according to your conditions to ensure that the receiver has the fixed solution. Turn on the leather measurement. Swing the device back and forth to initialize the IMU. You can view the positions of the leather on the notebook screen. Click the measurement icon to successfully perform the leather measurement. Turn on the point stakeout. Select the point just measured. Click the leather icon to perform the leather stakeout. Aim at the point just measured to know that the leather measurement accuracy of T30 is relatively high.